In the early morning, a gardener tends to their blossoming paradise, nurturing each plant with care and precision. The cool air carries the promise of growth as dew glistens on petals and leaves, reflecting the dawn's gentle light. With methodical hands, the gardener sows seeds, each one a brushstroke on the canvas of their vision. As they work, a symphony of patience and anticipation plays, harmonizing with the awakening world around them. The gardener envisions the vibrant blossoms and lush foliage that will soon emerge from their carefully tended soil. Their work is a meditative dance, a rhythmic flow of nurturing energy that brings life to their garden. Each plant is nurtured with love and dedication, as the gardener's hands become an extension of nature itself. In this tranquil haven, time slows down, allowing the gardener to fully embrace the beauty of the present moment. The gardener's symphony of patience and devotion creates a sanctuary where nature's wonders can flourish. As the sun rises higher, the gardener's Eden awakens, revealing the fruits of their labor and the harmony of nature's symphony.